So the tool we are going to use to code our Java is IntelliJ IDEA. So the website is jetbrains.com. You can go to that website to get this tool. This isn't the only IDE you can use for Java. There is Eclipse and some other tools. So here you are supposed to download the community edition. The ultimate edition is paid for, so unless you want to pay for it. But as you grow in Java, you would want to expand your tool set. I know you want to pay for ultimate. So now that you have installed your IntelliJ, you can create a new project. You might not have as much options as I have in the left, but the most important thing is the Java. So select Java, then select the home of your JDK. The particular folder we set as Java home. That is the project SDK. So when they ask you for a project SDK, just link it to the folder where you have your Java home. So you click next. You can create project from template. Then you give this project a name. I'll call this Lemubit Java Tut. You can give yours any name. And there we have it. It's ready to go. That's fine. For now, we are not going to use IntelliJ IDEA. We're going to be working with the terminal, and we will be back here very soon.